Here's what you need to know before buying SharpSpring: 12 key things that could save you time, money, and frustration. And if you're considering other landing page software, stick around to see how SharpSpring compares. First up, SharpSpring is a powerful tool for small to medium businesses, offering robust marketing automation features. But if you're just looking for a simple landing page builder, its complexity might feel like overkill compared to competitors like Unbounce or Instapage, which focus solely on ease of use and high converting templates. Next thing, while SharpSpring includes a landing page builder, the design options can feel limiting if you're used to the drag and drop flexibility of tools like Lead Pages. If customization is a top priority, you might find yourself working harder to achieve the look you want. The third thing you should know is pricing. SharpSpring charges a flat monthly rate based on your contact count, but it's not as budget-friendly as alternatives like MailChimp or ConvertKit if you're just starting out. You're paying for a suite of tools, not just landing pages, so it's worth asking, will you actually use all the extras? Fourth, the integration game is strong. SharpSpring connects with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot, but it lacks some native integrations with popular e-commerce platforms. If your business depends on Shopify or WooCommerce, double-check compatibility or prepare for workarounds. Next thing, reporting is a mixed bag. SharpSpring offers detailed analytics, but some users report that the dashboard feels cluttered and harder to navigate compared to the clean, actionable insights offered by competitors like ActiveCampaign. The sixth thing is SharpSpring's customer support. While it's responsive, it doesn't offer 24/7 live chat like some competitors. If you're operating in different time zones or need urgent help, this might be a drawback. Seventh, SharpSpring includes email marketing and workflows, which is a win for automation. But its learning curve is steeper compared to user-friendly platforms like MailerLite, making it less suitable for absolute beginners. The next thing is A/B testing. Yes, SharpSpring has it, but it's not as intuitive or feature-rich as specialized platforms like Instapage. For serious landing page optimization, you might want to look elsewhere. Ninth, templates. SharpSpring provides some pre-designed options, but they're fewer in number and not as modern-looking as those from Elementor or ClickFunnels. This can make a difference if design is a big part of your brand. The 10th point is scalability. SharpSpring is designed for growing businesses, but if you're scaling fast, the flat rate pricing model can actually become more expensive than pay-as-you-grow options like HubSpot. Next thing, SharpSpring offers social media management tools, which is a bonus compared to many competitors. But these features are basic and won't replace a dedicated tool like Hootsuite or Buffer if social is a key part of your strategy. Finally, the learning curve. SharpSpring's versatility is both its strength and its weakness. While it's great to have so many tools in one platform, mastering them all takes time. Simpler solutions like GetResponse might help you hit the ground running faster. So, is SharpSpring worth it? It's a solid choice for businesses that need all-in-one marketing software. But if you're primarily focused on landing pages or want something simpler, we recommend checking out our top-rated solution. You can try it for free. Details are in the description.